That I did want to say before I start the video that I am not affiliated with Bluemoon Scrapbooking at all, so just wanted to put that out there. I just wanted to let you guys know about the awesome 50% off sale. Hey everybody, I am going to be super quick. This is a haul, but I wanted to mainly share it because over on Bluemoon Scrapbooking, and I lost my paper. Here it is, bluemoonscrapbooking.com. They are having a 50% off your entire purchase. Isn't that crazy? Entire purchase. So everything you see here, I got 50% off. And it does say that the free shipping offer, normally they do free shipping $75 with your $75 order in the US is free, but it doesn't apply for this offer, which makes sense because they're already giving you 50% off. So I think I paid $5.99 and they shipped it in a big box, and I did get some 12 by 12 paper. This is American Crafts Craft cardstock, textured cardstock, I don't know. I'll have all of the things that I purchased listed down below. I will have them linked over to bluemoonscrapbooking.com as well as scrapbook.com, just in case it's not in stock anymore over on Blue Moon or something like that. Then you have another option if you want to purchase it. I didn't get anything super exciting or anything new. They don't have any like super new products. I don't know if they're going out of business or if they're just kind of trying to get rid of their inventory or what's going on, but they don't really have a huge selection of stuff. But they do have some, you know, like Prima and Crafters Workshop, Bluefern Studios, Ranger, Tim Holtz, Graphic 45, tons of products, but definitely not the wide range of products that they normally do. Anyways, I will stop talking and rambling, and I basically purchased a ton of the distress spray stains. I'm normally really good about not purchasing things just because it's a sale or I have a coupon or it's on clearance or anything like that, but I just couldn't pass it up. I have been wanting to kind of get the distress spray stains here and there, and I just couldn't justify the $5, and every time that I went to like Michael's or Hobby Lobby, they didn't really have a color that I wanted. So I saw a bunch of colors on Blue Moon Scrapbooking and I just went for it. So I will have, like I said, I'll have all of the things that I purchased listed down below for you guys so you can check it out. I'm not going to go through all of those, but I got a black, what's this, blazing black Lindy's, and I got some alcohol inks, sandal, teak wood, and the picket fence distress ink. And then I am excited about this stamp. I haven't heard of this company before, but I got it mainly because of this. It says life is pretty awesome. Love that. So I'm curious. They're rubber foam, so they're nice. I'm curious to see how they stamp. And yeah, so I love the florals. It was super gorgeous. And then I got some stencils. So this one is Layering Mini Collection Stencil Set 11. This is layering Gothic layering stencil. This one's Countdown, Blocks, and Zigzag. So that's what I got. Super short video. Again, I will have all of everything that I purchased listed down below. And if you want to see a video of these being sprayed to see what they look like, and if they are new to you, then I will totally do something like that. I didn't want to go, you know, I didn't want this video to be too long and do any of that, but if you're interested in a video of me spraying them out so you guys can see the colors, let me know and I will gladly do it. And also, if you have these distress spray stains, let me know what your favorite techniques are to, you know, that you use them for. Like, are they just like color bloom sprays or what? Because the only one I have is this one, the Picket Fence, and I just use this to splatter. So I'm not really familiar. I actually don't have any others of these, so I'm not familiar with them. But I will stop talking. It's 5 minutes already. And yeah, so links down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.